Hello, and these are the notes for section 2.4, solving inequalities. So the first thing we want to do is just isolate the x. So let's do this by adding 7 to both sides. So 2x is less than 6. Divide both sides by 2. So we get x is less than 3. I recommend you check these, and how you check these. So let's say let x equal number less than 3, so 0. See if it checks in the original equation. So is 2 times 0 minus 7 less than negative 1? So this ends up being negative 7 less than negative 1. That is true. Good to go. The next one, let's subtract 5 from both sides. So negative 3x is less than 6. Divide by negative 3. Remember, when you divide by negative inequalities, you flip the sign. So x is greater than negative 2. Let's check that one. So given x greater than negative 2, so let's say let x equal 0. So that is 5 minus 3 times 0. Is that less than 11? Gives us 5 is less than 11, and that is true. That is probably correct. So we'll go with that as our answer. The last one on this set, so subtract 6 on both sides. So negative x greater than or equal to negative 2. That's really a negative 1, so divide both sides by negative 1. So you get x is less than or equal to 2 because we divided by negative. Remember, flip that sign. Again, let's do a check on that. Well, number less than or equal to 2 would be 0, so let's say let x equal 0. So is 6 minus 0 bigger than or equal to 4? 6 bigger than or equal to 4, that is true. So those are the nice ones. That's one a little more complicated. This last one here. Let's get rid of that negative 5. So we're going to multiply both sides by negative 5. Likewise, when you multiply by negative or divide by negative with an inequality, flip the sign. So we get 8 plus 3x is now less than or equal to 20. So flip the sign when you're multiplying or dividing by negative. You flip the sign. So then we just finish this by solving it. So subtract 8, subtract 8. So 3x is less than or equal to 12. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So x is less than or equal to 4. Let's choose a number less than or equal to 4. Well, 0 again. So let's do a check. Let x equal 0. So that gives me 8 plus 3 times 0 divided by negative 5. Is that greater than or equal to 4? Negative 4. That gives me 8 over negative 5. Is that bigger than or equal to negative 4? And that is true.